In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit app code in Base44. We'll keep this simple and beginner friendly, so even if you're new to Base44 or to editing code in general, you'll be able to follow along without any trouble. First, make sure you're logged into your Base44 account and that you're on the main interface. From here, the very first thing you want to do is go to the dashboard. At the top of the screen, you should see a navigation bar. Look for the option labeled Dashboard. This is usually where you can see an overview of your projects or applications. Go ahead and click on Dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, you should now see a list of your apps or projects, depending on how your account is set up. Take a moment to confirm you're looking at the right app, especially if you have more than one. This helps you avoid editing the wrong project by mistake. When you're sure you've selected the correct app, you're ready for the next step. From the dashboard view, look again toward the top or side navigation for an option called Code. This is where Base44 lets you access the underlying files that power your app. Go ahead and click on Code. It might take a moment to load, especially if your project is large, so just give it a second. After you click on Code, you should now see the code editor interface. Here, your app's files are typically organized on the left side, and the main editing area is in the center. To start making changes, choose the file you want to work on from the file list. When you click on a file, its contents will open in the main editor. Before you type anything, it's always a good idea to scan through the existing code so you understand what it does. Make small, deliberate changes and save often. Most platforms, including Base44, will have a save or commit button, or they might autosave as you go. If there's a preview or run option available, use it to test your changes and make sure everything still works as expected. That's all there is to it. First, go to the dashboard and then click on Code to access and edit your app files. With these basics, you're ready to start safely editing your app code in Base44.